Time to unbox the all-new Redmi Earbuds 2C. This video will cover in-the-box parts, wearing instructions, charging instructions, turn on and turn off instructions. The box consists of the Redmi Earbuds 2C placed inside the charging case. We also have 6 ear tips and a user manual. The earbuds come with the default size M ear tips, but in case they don't fit your ear canal, you can install size S or L, available inside the product box. The earbuds come with a multifunction button, charging indicator, and a microphone. Wearing instructions. Gently insert the earbud into your ear canal, keeping the microphone exposed for better call quality and comfort while moving around. Charging instructions. Connect the charging cable to the charging case and keep the earbuds inside the case to charge. The indicator is red while charging. It changes to white once fully charged. Turn on and turn off instructions. Once you remove the earbud from the charging case, it automatically turns on. In case the earbuds are not in the charging case and turned off, press and hold the multifunction button for 1 second till the indicator turns white. Once you place the earbud into the charging case, it automatically turns off. When the earbud is turned on, press and hold the multifunction button for 5 seconds till the indicator turns red.